How to download applications on Windows 10 laptop or computer. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a simple tutorial so that we can keep it easy to follow and we should be able to download applications on our device. So let's get started. So the first method is using Microsoft Store, which is the safest way available. So we can search for Microsoft Store and open it up on our device. And it's the official app store for Windows. Then the search bar, we can just go and type in the application name, for example, Spotify. Hit enter, and once we find it up, we can just go over and look out for the install option and click on it, and it installs completely. This is one of the method. Apart from that, we can download it from browser. So go ahead and open up a browser when the Microsoft Store is not available. After that, we can just go over and download, type in download, for example, Spotify for Windows. So go ahead and search for the specific application that you would like to download and hit enter, and you'll be finding Windows download, something like that. You can click on download for Windows and go ahead and find the specific application and directly download it from the website as well, and it should be available here. Now you can follow the installation steps and install it, and always download from the official sites to avoid viruses. And apart from that, if you already have a set of file available but you've installed it, you just need to go ahead and look out for it downloads. Once you find downloads, you can find the .exe file and double click on it. And if asked for permission, you can just go and click on yes and give the necessary permission, and follow out the process for installation and finish it up. And once it is done, the application will be installed. And if it's not being installed, it may be an internet connection issue. Make sure that your Windows is updated as well. You can restart your PC and try again. But usually these are probably the way you can follow up to download applications on Windows 10 laptop or PC. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.